guys, my name is Venus. I am a senior here at Vanguard. I'm a comm major, and I currently hold the position of being SFD's media chaplain. Yeah! So without further ado, here is my favorite app on my phone. So welcome to my homepage. My favorite app is in my fun stuff folder, and it is dun, 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 this Shonen Jump app. So here it is in all its glory. It is my favorite thing to do when I'm just, relaxing, chilling. This is where I go to read my manga. You have, as you can see, there's like an array of things to read. Right now I have a monthly subscription for this app where I can read, I think, around 100 free chapters a day. And all of the money that they gather, all of this from the subscriptions, they go straight to the mangakas, the creators, the artists of all of these manga. So yeah, I feel like that's a really cool thing to just keep supporting your favorite artists. So yeah, so the one that I'm currently reading right now is Sakamoto Days, and I'll go to the first chapter so I don't spoil anything for those who want to read this. So there's this guy, Sakamoto, as you can see here, and in the first chapter he's like this amazing, where is it? There it is. That's how he looks like before. This amazing hitman who's considered the greatest of all time. As you can see him, beating people up, looking all cool and swaggy, smoking a cigarette and whatnot, when all of a sudden he falls in love, because that's what makes life a little bit better, falling in love. And then, as you can see here, he retires, got married, had a baby, and he got out of shape because he has a family now. So, but yeah, this dude goes from being a hitman to being this guy who just runs a convenience store, and I feel like that's such a fun story to read. So that's what got me hooked, honestly. So if you want to read this, please read it on the Shonen Jump app. Please support these artists and, have them keep on creating, because that's what makes life so much better. So yeah, that is my favorite app. Thank you so much for watching this small video, and yeah, if you ever see me around campus, don't be afraid to say hi. Alright, thank you. Bye. How do I get out of here?